Hello and welcome to CES 2025, where the latest innovation in food technology is unveiled. So join me as I bring you an exclusive glimpse of the groundbreaking technology in food tech. And Brisket is the first AI powered grill that utilizes the generative AI called Vera, combined with advanced cooking automation to provide unique and hassle free cooking. Now let's hear from the expert on how this grill works.
So the grills have a new feature for AI that will help basically anybody to help generate the recipes and the parameters that are then sent to the grill for automation. So you can tell it things, you can take pictures of things in your fridge, or you can take pictures at the grocery store of things that you might want to grill or you want to smoke. It'll generate the recipe, you can customize it and tell it what else to do, spicy, not spicy. But in the end, what ends up happening is that you're gonna get a recipe that you can then send to the grill. So I can demonstrate that if you like. As an example, go here, take a photo of something. Could be in a magazine, could be something at the store. Now the AI is going to look to try to detect what that is and give you a recipe.
And then it will generate an instruction list like
Yeah, so yes, and you can interact with this. Obviously, you can give it more instructions. You can add things to it, remove things. It's going to do its best to generate something that's tasty, and you'll see soon it'll generate the recipe. So there's the recipe for what it believes is a beer can chicken, which is correct. Shows you the ingredients, all the steps that are required, all of the parameters, the timing, and then from here you basically would send it to the grill, and then over here all of this would then change and update, and we'll start an automation process from start to finish, hands-free. Right?
Wow. So you just need to place the
Just
chicken
to place
inside
it in it and
and
pop away.
wow. Go swimming or something.
Yes, go swimming, walk the dog.
Oh, so you can just put the whole family in. They have the smaller version of it. The price is $3.99 for this. This is also digital. You can cook with an app. So let's brisk it. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in next video. More food tech videos coming up. So make sure to subscribe and like. Thank you for watching.